Hello everyone, welcome to the session. Here we are discussing another question from Investment Advisor Level 1 exam. So here in this question it is given that there's a person called Anmol. He want to earn 10% per annum and he has a time period of 8 years, and the objective what he's looking for, the fund what is looking for is 2 lakh rupees. What investment should he make in the security to get 2 lakh rupees over the period? So 2 lakh rupees is called as sinking fund. Okay, that this value is called as sinking fund. Okay, so the objective is that what present value of money will give him 2 lakh rupees after 8 years. So here you just use the formula that the future value of money is equal to present value into 1 plus rate of interest to the power time. So the future value of money is 2 lakh rupees. Present value of money which we want to determine, rate of interest is 10% to the power 8. Okay, so here this would be 2 lakh rupees, okay, is equal to present value into 1.1 to the power 8. You can use calculator here. You can use here calculator, okay, or you can use MS Excel also to find 1.1 to the power 8. Okay, so here for the power is the power fund, yes. So 1.1 to the power 8 I can do here. This will give me 2.143588. So the present value of money would be 2 lakh divided by 1 point. How much is the value? 2.14. This is 1 minute. This is 2.1488 something. 2.143588. 3588. So 3588. So find this value. So this is, let me just clear of this. So 2 lakh, 2 lakh divided by 2.143588. This will give you 93,301. 93,301. Approximately this value you will get. Okay, simple thing. The same thing if you want to do in Excel. The same thing if you want to do in Excel. They're asking you the present value of money, right? The future value of money is given to you as 2 lakh rupees. The rate of interest is 10%, right? Rate of interest is 10% and the time is 8 years, if I'm not wrong. So here I can use the formula present value of money. Our rate is 10%. Your rate is 10%. Okay, the time is 8 years. Okay, there's no PMT, there's no NUT. Future value of money you're looking for is 2 lakh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Type would be 0. If you press enter, you'll get 93,301.48. Same thing. Okay, I hope you understood. Imagine in this question if they would have mentioned like per year, not one-time deposit. This is the question of lump sum, okay, or one-time deposit. Like one time he has to deposit how much? 93,301.48 rupees. That will give him 2 lakh rupees after 8 years. Imagine in this question if they would have given that how much money he should deposit every year. I hope you understood. Then that would become the problem of future value of NUT. So imagine what investment should he make in the security per year. Imagine if I ask you in this question, what investment should he make, okay, in the security per year so that he get 2 lakh rupees over the period. Just imagine that question. Imagine if they would have given per year in the security per year. Imagine they would have given how much it will make deposit per year. Okay, that per year, every year, not one time payment. One time he has to do 93,300 something. Okay, instead of that, if he is doing every year, so then in that case, you use the formula of future value of NUT. Okay, in that case, you will use the formula of future value of NUT. The formula is NUT divided by rate of interest into 1 plus rate of interest to the power time minus 1. So the future value of annuity is 2 lakh. Here you want the annuity every year. Rate of interest is 10%, 1.1 to the power 8 minus 1. Okay, so this will give you the answer. Okay, this will give you the answer. 1.1 to the power 8 already I determined, right? 2.143588. So this would be, if I bring this side, it will become 20,000. This will become 20,000. 20,000 is equal to A, and 1.1 to the power 8 is 2.143588 minus 1. If I do, I'll get 1.143588. So the your annuity would be 20,000 divided by 1.143588. This will be your annuity. So 20,000, 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 1.143588. 1.143588, that you will get 17,489, you can say approximately. This will come 17,489. Okay. So the same thing, if you want to do in Excel, you will use equal PV. Rate is 10%. Time is 8 year. PMT would be, okay, they want PMT. Okay, so here, yeah, so not PV, you have to use PMT function. PMT rate is 10%. Okay, and PER would be 8 year. Okay, present value you don't know. Future value is 2 lakh, 2, 3, 4, 5. Type is 0. You do, you will get 17,488.8. The same thing what I got. So here, either you can use this formula whenever there's an annuity. Annuity means the amount what you are paying at the end of every year. In case if they would have mentioned beginning of every year, then you have to multiply this with 1 plus rate of interest. So I hope you understood this. So the same problem you can ask in two different ways. Either it can be lump sum, or either it can be in the form of annuity. So this is a future value of annuity formula, or SIP. I hope you heard of SIP kind of concept. So in SIP also use this future value of annuity. In lump sum, you use the formula future value is equal to present value into 1 plus rate of interest to the power time. Clear, everyone? So I hope you understood this. The same thing you can even do in Excel. I have shown you how to do this calculation with Excel also, and with normal system also. I hope you understood this. Thank you.